In this video, I'll show you how to send money from SafePal to Cash App step by step. First, open the SafePal mobile application and log in. On the home page, you'll see a list of your available tokens. From the list, select Bitcoin. On the next screen, you'll see several options such as swap, receive, and send. Tap on Send. Now enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to transfer. You can choose any amount depending on your balance, even a small fraction of Bitcoin. In the address field, we'll paste the wallet address from Cash App, so keep the screen open for a moment. Next, open your Cash App on your phone. From the home page, tap on the banking icon at the bottom. Here you'll see different options like investing, Bitcoin, and cash features. Select Bitcoin. Scroll down until you reach the section called More Ways to Get Bitcoin. Under this section, tap on Deposit Bitcoin. Cash App will now display your unique Bitcoin wallet address. Make sure to copy it carefully. You can either copy the text or scan the QR code if you're doing this on another device. Now go back to the SafePal app. Paste the Bitcoin wallet address into the recipient field. Double check the address before sending, because crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you've confirmed the address and amount, tap Send. SafePal will process the transfer, and your Bitcoin will move into your Cash App wallet. After the transfer completes, open Cash App again. In the Bitcoin section, you'll see your balance updated with the received amount. From there, you can choose to hold Bitcoin, sell it, or instantly convert it to cash. Once converted, the money is available in your Cash App balance to spend, withdraw, or send. And that's how you transfer money from SafePal to Cash App. By the way, if you're tired of juggling multiple wallets and want a simpler way to move money, I recommend Wise. I use it myself. Wise is one of the cheapest and most reliable services out there, with transparent fees and real exchange rates. Best part? If you sign up with the link in the description, your first transfer, up to $800, is free with 0 fees. Quick setup, free account, and it works worldwide.